everyone, and good morning, and thanks for joining me today. I am still in the process of sorting out my craft items, and I haven't really been in my craft room for for quite a while, but not as much as I've wanted to be in here anyway. And I still had things that I wanted to sort out from when I redid my craft room. So I'm still in the process of organizing things, and some things I had organized, or thought I had, but then figured that actually there might be a better way of organizing them. So this is an organization video, or tips and tricks. So I had in my oh my gosh, what do you call it, my trolley, my sort of like, I forgot what it's called now. My little trolley to my right has all of these plastic boxes with ephemera in, and these are words and phrases, and I had some little ephemera as well. But to be honest with you, when I opened this box, all of these words were falling out. I have done some of them, so let me show you what I've done with them. And I found an easier way of doing them, and it's not my idea. I know that Gail Agostinelli uses books like these to store hers, and a couple of other people, and I could have made a book, but I figured that there wasn't quicker way. So these are stamp albums, and this one has actually got my stamps in. This is one that I actually bought new. This is a stamp album, so this would work. And I also have a stamp album that I actually got from the car boot. So what I thought I'd do is transfer all of the stamps that I had in this one into this nice big one that I bought from, I think I got it off eBay. I think it was £10, but you can get so many stamps in here, and I've still got lots of pages left. Look at all my gorgeous stamps. I still have lots more to put in here. So as you can see, I've still got lots and lots of free pages. So I transferred the stamps from this vintage album into that stamp album, and this is what I've done. So these are all small ephemera pieces, but I can see them now, and I can just have this on my desk, and then if I want some small pieces of ephemera, I have got it, and I've still got lots of room here. In the back here are all my gorgeous yummy words. Look, now this is what I was talking about. All of these words were in this box here, and they were just, oh my gosh, falling about everywhere. So I decided to use this stamp album, and it is really cool because I don't know if you can see, but it has all these, great Charles, now you've just knocked them on the floor. It has all these little diddy pockets, as you can see. So it is only good for small things, but it's absolutely fantastic because now look, so if you see any vintage albums when you're on your travels, oh wow, or old, if you have one up in your attic that's not being used or half used, these are fantastic. So I had also found these little bits of ephemera here. These are little Peter Rabbit ones. I was just going through a drawer earlier on today, and I thought, you know what, I could actually transfer some of these bits. So let me just, I thought we could just sit and have a natter while I do it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the middle bit, because I've got my sort of vintage ephemera up the other end, but I've got this drawer of odds and bits and pieces. So I thought, you know what, look how cute these are, and all you do is you just slip these in here, and I just thought that these would be great, and I can then just go in here, and if I want to put some little cute, I am doing a little wildlife journal. Well, I'm thinking about doing one, I should say. So let me put the smaller pieces up there. This will be perfect to know where all these cute little bits and pieces are, and I can get all of these. See, these should be in my ephemera boxes. Look, I've got all these bits of ephemera, so while I'm in here, these can go into my See, the bigger pieces I have got in these boxes because it's no good for this album. So the bigger pieces I shall put in the boxes, and they're, you know, stored really good there. But I thought, you know what, I'll just get all these out. I still have so many boxes and drawers that I haven't sorted through yet, you know, and I don't know what I've got. So, oh, actually, that's one's blocking that one, isn't it? So we want to be able to see what we've got here. So let's put the little diddy creatures up here. These are fantastic, though. I should definitely be looking out for more of these because I think that these are great. You could store so many different things, you know, words, you know, the words that you, oh, look at the little pussycat. Stickers, you can put stickers in them. And actually, I think I will be getting another one for my stickers because I have so many stickers, and they're just in drawers and boxes and things, and just don't get used. Well, actually, I've got them in my plastic containers, the little storage boxes, which it does work. But I think books are easier to open up, and instead of getting boxes down and that. So I think that's probably what I'm going to be doing from now on. And as you can see, you can do this quite quickly and even do it while you're sat watching the TV. I was watching a video the other day. It was Gail Agostinelli, and she had a video on 10 things that you can do while watching the TV. And, you know, I'm very much like her in the way of I don't like sitting and doing nothing. So this is definitely one that you can do as well. And I've thought of a couple of other things that you could do. So I might do a video just like that to show you things that you can do while watching the TV. But this is definitely one of them. And look, it really does do, you can do them really quite quickly. Oops, that one didn't go in the little pocket there. Oh, I'm just trying to get back into the swing of crafting and tidying up, and honestly, I still have so many. When I did my craft room, I sorted through, you know, a lot of things, but I still have a lot more that I've still got to do. So I need to be getting on with that, and I might as well switch the camera on when I do it, because I know that we all pick up tips and tricks and little things through YouTube. So I'm hoping that it will inspire you all to get out your little baskets of things that are just sat around in drawers doing nothing. Oh, look at that little butterfly. See, look, these just get lost in the drawers, really, and then they don't see the light of day. You know, it's trial and error sometimes, isn't it, with you know, the best way to store things. I know that I've switched my mind up, you know, on certain things. I've changed what I've done, and you know, you find an easier a way of doing it. So I want more of these albums now. That's my thing. I really do. I want... No. You are going to knock these over, mister. As you can see, Charlie is back up to his little tricks. Look. You're a pain. He just loves it in here. I don't know why. Why do you love it in here? So what else is new? I am going to be doing a finishing off my Edith Holden journal that I've been wanting to do, and I'm going to be filming it as well. So I have a lot to do on that, so that's coming up in the next hopefully the next week, because I know it's something I have to get finished. It's just been sat there and I've just not done it. Oh, that's a big one. Right, let's put these little bits up here. Aren't these so super cute? These were from AliExpress. If I can find them, I'll find the link and put the link in the description below, because actually this pack, you got so many pieces, and oh my gosh, I was actually super surprised at how much you did get in the pack. There was loads and loads and loads of things. That's a big one, so I'm hoping to try and get all of these on these 2 pages. So that, oh, Charles, oh, there's a stamp there. I'm not sure if I'm going to get all these. And we've got another page there, don't we? So if I stick him in the middle and then put him there, oh, they look so cute on the page, don't they? Oh, that's a sticker. A sticker. Rabbits can go there. Oh, another buzzgat. Oh no, that went down the back. I'm going to have to get that in a minute, as I won't be able to rest until I do. Love these. Excuse me, I'm still getting over this dreaded cold. Okay, how many more bits do I have left in here? Not that many. That's a sticker. Right, let's see if we can get all of these out. I think we're nearly there. A couple more bits. Right. Oh, no, there's a few more caught up in there. Some long ones. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get these in here, but if not, at least we've got the majority of them out of the way. Look at those, though. They are just super lovely. Let's see if we can, let's get the big ones in first. And look, I did that in record time. Didn't take long at all to do that. Let's put the little fish up there. And get these little bits up the top here. And that one can go in there. These little tiny ones, I'll have to go in the top. Don't, you're getting ready to bite me, aren't you? I know you are. I know him too well, the little monkey. Right, let's see. Try and slot these in. Oh my goodness me. Hey, Charles. Right. So, that is basically it, I think. We have these long pieces, which I'm going to probably keep these out because they're just going to get in the way. So we'll leave those out, but as you can see, we're getting there. These can go in, actually, they can go in my word thingy now. So that is just super fast, and look how adorable. So now if I want some Peter Rabbit things, look, they're all there. Loving this. Oh my gosh, this is not going to do up by the time I'm finished. But so I've got my ephemera in there, more ephemera, and then I've got those blank pages. They're blank, blank. Oh no, we started to do the words, and so we've got our words here. So what I will do, I'm going to get on and do some more of the words, but I just thought I would turn the camera on and just show you. Ow, I knew it. That's mean, and I don't like it when you do that. Just thought I would turn the camera on, and he's getting ready to have me behave. Thought I'd just switch it on and show you this lovely book. Stop it, Mister. Right, okay, I am going to find more things to sort out, because today I am having a sort out. So if it's anything interesting, I'll switch the camera on. Anything I think that you will benefit from, I will show you. So it's good to be back, and I hope I'll see you all very soon. Hope you're all doing well. Love you guys, and I shall see you all very soon. So take care for now. Bye.